Choosing the right windows for your Clearwater home is an important decision that can impact everything from energy efficiency to curb appeal. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or installing new ones in a newly constructed home, selecting the best windows for your needs involves considering factors like climate, budget, style, and performance. With the right information, you can make a well-informed decision that will enhance the comfort and value of your home for years to come. Here's a guide to help you choose the best windows for your Clearwater home. Consider the Clearwater climate. The Florida climate plays a significant role in determining the best type of windows for your home. Clearwater experiences hot, humid summers and mild winters, making energy efficiency a top priority. Windows that are designed to keep cool air in and hot air out will help you reduce your energy bills by reducing the workload on your HVAC system. Look for energy-efficient windows that offer good insulation. Double-pane windows with a gas fill between the panes, such as argon or krypton, can provide better insulation and reduce heat transfer. Low emissivity, low E, coatings are also beneficial, as they reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter. In Clearwater, where UV rays can be intense, low E coatings help protect your furniture, floors, and artwork from fading. Choose the right window material. The material of your windows is essential in terms of durability, maintenance, and cost. The most common window materials are vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and aluminum. Each has its own set of advantages, so it's important to consider your home's needs and your budget when choosing the best option. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are a popular choice due to their affordability, low maintenance, and excellent energy efficiency. They don't require painting and are resistant to moisture, making them an excellent choice for the humid Clearwater climate. Vinyl windows are durable and offer good insulation without breaking the bank. Wood windows. Wood windows offer a classic, high-end aesthetic and are well suited for traditional or historic homes in Clearwater. They provide excellent insulation but require more maintenance to protect against moisture and pests. If you prefer the look of wood and are willing to invest time in upkeep, this could be a great choice for your home. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are incredibly durable and energy efficient. They are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them a good long-term investment for homeowners who want a low-maintenance, high-performance option. Fiberglass windows tend to be more expensive than vinyl but offer superior insulation and durability. Aluminum windows. While aluminum windows are strong and lightweight, they are less energy efficient than other materials and can be prone to condensation. They are also more prone to corrosion in coastal areas like Clearwater. Aluminum windows are typically more affordable but may not offer the long-term performance of vinyl or fiberglass. Focus on energy efficiency. As energy costs continue to rise, choosing energy-efficient windows is one of the best ways to keep your Clearwater home comfortable year-round. Look for windows that have the Energy Star label, which means they meet specific energy performance standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Besides looking for double or triple pane glass, consider windows with argon gas or krypton gas between the panes. These gases act as insulators and help prevent heat transfer. Low E coatings also improve energy efficiency by reflecting heat away in the summer and keeping heat inside during the winter. If you live near the coast in Clearwater, you might want to consider impact-resistant windows that can withstand high winds and storms. These windows are designed to protect against hurricanes and tropical storms, offering additional peace of mind during the storm season. Choose a window style that complements your home. The style of window you choose can significantly impact your home's aesthetic. Clearwater homes come in a variety of architectural styles, so it's important to select windows that complement your home's overall design. Here are a few popular window styles. Double-hung windows. One of the most common window styles, double-hung windows feature two movable sashes that can be opened from the top or bottom. They offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean, making them a great choice for homes of all types. Casement windows. Casement windows open outward with a crank, providing excellent ventilation. They are especially suitable for areas where you want maximum airflow, such as kitchens or bathrooms. These windows are also very energy efficient, as the seal is tight when closed. Sliding windows. Sliding windows open horizontally, making them ideal for spaces where you don't have room for windows to open outward. They offer good ventilation and are easy to operate. Bay and bow windows. These windows extend outward from the wall, creating additional space and allowing for more natural light. They are an excellent choice for adding architectural interest and creating a cozy nook or reading area in your home. Budget consideration. Window replacement is a significant investment, so it's important to balance your needs with your budget. While higher-end materials like wood or fiberglass windows may be more expensive up front, they can offer better long-term performance and lower maintenance costs. Vinyl windows provide a more affordable option without sacrificing energy efficiency or durability. Don't forget to factor in the cost of installation. Professional window installation is essential for ensuring your windows are properly sealed and aligned. A poorly installed window can negate the benefits of even the best quality window. Be sure to get multiple quotes from reputable contractors in Clearwater to ensure you're getting a fair price. Conclusion. Choosing the best windows for your Clearwater home involves balancing style, performance, and budget. Consider your home's needs in terms of energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetics. With the right windows, you can improve the comfort of your home, reduce energy costs, and enhance its curb appeal. Whether you choose vinyl for affordability, fiberglass for long-term durability, or wood for a classic look, the right windows will provide lasting value for your Clearwater home.